Today we will be installing these Autex window visors on my 2001 LB7 Duramax. What's going on, guys? I'm pretty excited to install these today. My buddy's been trying to get me to install these for years now. Every time I go to the store, they're like $72 or they're sold out. They're the Autex. You know, I just didn't want to spend $72 on these, and every time I did, they were sold out. So, just on the old Amazon website, found these for 30 bucks. And these will come in very handy when I'm overlanding here in the next couple of weeks. Sometimes it gets super rainy, super windy, and I got 3 dogs in the back fogging up the joint. You roll down the windows and you just get water everywhere. Who wants that? So we got these things. They look like they're pretty decent quality. Got the backs here. Looks like they have a 3M tape on it. And we got the fronts. Let's go ahead and test fit them and see if they work. So I have a unique challenge here. The person who I bought this truck from was hanging all different kinds of tow mirrors before settling on these ones, which I really like. But these guys are right in the freaking way, and they stick out, and I'm not going to be able to get a nice adhesion. So I'm going to try to do a little workaround here. I have those on the other side as well. Alright, so it looks like I may be able to fit these right under, barely. We'll see if that's enough. So first thing I'm going to do is they recommend cleaning this off with alcohol. I have acetone, so I'm going to use that instead and just get all that debris and shit off. So the idea behind cleaning off your surface area that you're going to adhere to with alcohol or acetone is to get rid of any residue or any junk that might be hindering its ability to adhere. And that's also why I'm going to use a little bit of propane torch action. I'm just going to heat up that area a little bit. So if there's one thing that adhesive likes, it's a little bit of heat. It helps it really stick and hold on to it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real anything up here. Let me go ahead and peel this back. Looks like this gets a short little nub. So just peel back part of it at a time, front and back. Maybe about 2-3 inches maybe. Fold it over like that. This will just help us test fit it and get it in there a little bit better. same thing with the rears. We're only going to open it up slightly on each side and just tack it up there to make sure that, you know, it looks relatively close. We have it about as even as we can get it with what we're working with. So we're going to go ahead and pull off that tape and press it into place. Second verse will be same as the first, so we're going to go ahead and put you on time lapse and get her done. That's how you install those wind visors, or cigarette smoker visors, or rain visors, whatever you want to call them. Funky is it? Yeah. He likes it. I got all 4 windows open right now, and no rain has come in, so it's pretty nice. It's raining right now, so this is a nice proper test. I like it. So it's pretty easy to install. Anybody can do it, even if you have some unique challenges like I did. That's just the thing with these old trucks. You never know what people have done to them, including this awesome job here. That's going to be another future video. I'm going to patch that up. But we were able to overcome it. It looks, you know, I think it would probably be a little straighter if I didn't have all those obstacles in the way, but I have all the faith in the world that you will be able to do it, and do it within 5 minutes. One and done, son. It's really easy. Just make sure to clean the surface with an acetone or an alcohol. It just gets rid of all that residue and crap that's on there. And it's not a bad idea to give it a little bit of heat. Adhesive really does adhere better when it's warm or a little bit hot. Not too hot that it melts the adhesive, but just enough to where, you know, it'll help it stick a little bit better. After you get it all stuck on, just rub it down with a nice soft cloth so that you're not getting your fingerprints on it and you're not scratching it up with any other like more coarse cloths or whatever the hell you're using. And you should be fine. It's one and done, just like that. Do remember to just pull those tabs back by a few inches and align the front and back. And I think as long as you do that and you pay attention to your form lines and, you know, it looks straight enough when you look at it from a few feet away, that's all you got to do. You don't have to obsess over it. Just, you know, make it look good, send it. Hope this helped you out in some way. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. It helps this channel out a ton. Go ahead and drop some comments down in the comments section if you have any questions or concerns. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for these things where I got them from. They're pretty cheap, like 30 bucks. Easy to install. Anybody can do it. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. Please check out my channel. I got a lot more videos on that channel and a lot more coming in the future as well. Alright guys, got to get back to it, so I'll see you on the next one.